uh, this video on nutrition. The question says, the table shows the condition in 4 test tubes containing equal amount of starch and salivary amylase. In which test tube would the starch be broken faster? Now, in which test tube is the starch going to be broken the fastest? Now, the breakdown of the starch, one thing that we must know that we need an enzyme whose pH is in an alkaline state. At the same time, know that salivary amylase can only digest where? In the mouth and the part of the duodenum. Now, the temperature for this enzyme, salivary amylase, to work properly must be 37 degrees what? Celsius for it to work properly. Then the pH, okay? The pH must not be acidic because we are dealing with what? Starch. So it must be alkaline. So we go where there is 37 and 7. So it's clear that the answer is D. Because 7 is part alkaline there, somewhere on the middle, and temperature is actually what? The optimum one there. Question 5 says 4 food samples were tested for each of the following nutrients: fat, protein, and reducing sugars. Which food sample contained protein and reducing sugars? Which one contained proteins and reducing what? Sugars. So when we look at it, let's see the color of the results. So if we say it contained proteins, what should the solution of the sample change to? Okay. Then for reducing sugars, what color should it change to? So for proteins, it must be purple. Then for reducing sugars, it must be brick red, according to the information given here. Now, we know that we need to go where both are ticked. Okay, where we have purple and what? Brick what? Red. So it's covered that the answer is what? B. Question 6. A child is fed on beef, oil, fish, cheese, and water only. Which nutrient would be in low levels in this diet? Now, when you feed a child on beef, what happens? You have proteins, some form of vitamins there. Oil, fish, you've got some vitamin C and some form of iron there. Cheese, you have some form of calcium. Then water, well, water is the nutrient itself. Now, which nutrients will be in low levels in the diet? Calcium, iron, vitamin C, or vitamin D. Of course, from here, it's iron. We don't have anything here to provide us with iron. So the answer here will be what? B. So those are some of the questions on nutrition.